Hello all, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Zade Academy. Today it's time to talk about some of the favorite functions in the Excel, the RAND and the RAND between functions. So these are essentially random number generators and they work in slightly different ways. The first is the RAND function, and when you write it, you literally just open and close the parentheses without anything in between. There are few function in the Excel like today and now, which we will cover that in date and time function. I mean date and time section. So, and if you want to see those videos, the URL, the link is available on the I button. Just click and just watch those videos. So where you are writing these in this way, so like today and now functions, you are writing in this way, there's actually no component to the formula besides the formula name itself. And what the rand function does is it returns a random number between 0 and 1. They're totally around 15 digits. Similarly, the rand between, except that you can specify the range that you want to determine, and it will return whole numbers between your range. But in this case, keep in mind these are volatile functions, meaning that they are recalculate or re-randomize with any new workbook changes. So just be aware about that. I'm going to jump into a blank Excel workbook. So just to really check, quickly show you what this looks like in a cell A1. I'm going to do a rand function here equals the rand, open up the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, hit the enter button. As you will see, I will drag this out to here, then drag it out to the down, and it's just giving me a series of random numbers between 0 and 1. And if I go to the formula tab and recalculate the values, you will see that this consistently changes. Now let's talk about the rand between. So I will just going to change from rand to the rand between, and we're gonna say just say like the bottom and the top values. So we're gonna say like the bottom value is 0 and the top value is 100. Then the parentheses are closed. So hit the enter button, and once I apply this to the same range which we have right now, we will see that I'm dealing with the similar random numbers generator, except in this case all my numbers are whole numbers between 0 and 100. So there you go, two examples of the random number generators in Excel using rand and rand between functions. So thank you all, thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to the SZ Academy for further videos. For other free courses, please mention in the comment box to create those courses for you. And thank you.